Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Name Keep Exploring Yourself with me. Guys, you're watching me and my name is Darshana Pachori. Guys, in today's session, I'm actually here to give you a very wonderful thing where you will be learning that how the silly sentences which we speak sometime wrongly, what would be the right form to speak the same sentences in a correct way. So let's not wasting much time. Let's begin this particular session today for spoken English. So guys, that is the first sentence I would like to take today is, she doesn't listen me. So how to say this sentence correctly? That is, she doesn't listen to me. She doesn't listen to me. Why we are using to here? Because to is generally used to address something, right? A person. Move on to the next sentence. You speak English good. You speak English good is the wrong way to say this particular sentence. Guys, you can actually use this particular sentence to be said correctly in this way. You speak English well, very well. You speak English very well, or you can say you speak English well. The third sentence is, which has been again said wrong, the police is coming. Guys, it is sounding very wrong because police could not be actually considered as a singular form. So you have to say correctly, the police are coming. The next sentence which I would like to take is that the house isn't enough big. The house isn't enough big is a wrong way to say. So how to use this particular sentence in correct way? The house isn't big enough. The house isn't big enough. So move on to the next sentence, like somebody is actually smoking and you are saying that you should not smoke, right? So how to say that particular sentence in a correct way? Generally in a wrong way we are saying, you should not to smoke. That is wrong. There is no need to put to before smoke. So how exactly we can say this sentence correctly? You should not smoke. You should not smoke. Alright, move on to the next sentence. Guys, there are 7 girls in a class. We are actually supposed to say there are, but generally in a wrong way we say there is 7 girls in the class is a wrong sentence. So you have to say there are 7 girls in the class because it is plural form of girl. Next sentence, I didn't meet nobody. This is really a wrong sentence. So how to say the same sentence in a correct way is, I didn't meet anybody. I didn't meet anybody. The next sentence, your flight is going to be depart in the evening. So how to say that? But when it is a time, then you have to use my flight departs at 5 p.m. Or you can say my flight departs at 5 a.m. So timing has to be like means mentioned by using at. But wrongly we are saying my flight departs in 5 a.m. So that is wrong. So guys, I hope you got a good idea that how you can use the right way to speak the commonly used sentences in the right way. Thank you very much for watching me.